A quick update on where I'm at with the Crown Vic F100 project. As you can see, the body is back off the frame, and I've taken the cab and I've stood it up on its back so I can get better access to the bottom of the floor for rust repair. That's where the vast majority of the rust was right where the front cab mounts are. This is the side I haven't repaired yet, obviously. It's rusted in the cab corner there quite bad, and the entire cab mount, I've cut most of it off, but it's basically all gone. The driver's side was very similar, and I've already repaired it. I cut out that whole area and patched it in with 16 gauge steel. Actually, the cab corner on the driver's side was even worse. I had to cut the whole corner off. You can see the new shiny metal in there, and rebuild all that, and cut the entire floor section out and rebuild all that area. I'm very much a novice at doing this. I haven't done a whole lot, but I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. And since most of this is going to be hidden, either under the vehicle or with carpet inside or in the cab corner, the fender covers that, so it won't be much showing anyway, so it's more for strength than anything else. There are a few places where it will show, and I'll just turn on this light here. In the very corner of the cab there, you can see there's a repair in that spot. That will show. I should be able to paint that over. And inside the floor, that's the other side of the patch, and I think that will come out okay too once the carpet's in place. I got to clean up some more of that rust on the floor and paint it, and I think it'll all work out okay. I think I finally figured out how I'm going to do the cab mounts. Just turn this off. The front cab mount is going to go right in this corner here, and I've got just enough room to put the cab mount in there. I'm going to weld a little bracket in. It'll kind of provide support to the floor as well, and it will support the cab mount, and then the cab mount will sit just outside of the frame over in this area here. I'm going to cut a piece of 4-inch by 1/2-inch thick flat iron. I'm going to lay across here, weld little pieces of angle iron it, and drill a couple of holes there and get these rivet fasteners so it can bolt in there, and that really won't provide much strength, but I'll cantilever it back here and bolt it through this hole, and so there won't be any welding to the frame, but that big heavy piece of flat will support the weight of the truck, and the cab mount will sit right about in this area, half of it being on top of the frame, so it'll be well supported. So it's going to be moved back slightly from where the Crown Vic mounts, where it's going to be sitting right back there. And that's where I'm at right now. I'll give another update once I'm completely done with the rust repair on the truck.